This section has been replaced. This is where your VIN would be. We needed the VIN for the car that we're building. So this you would just cut out or re-stamp your VIN in there. Cut your VIN off of your bent part, cut it off and just weld it in there. Nothing here is bent. This car was never hit. It's just a rear section that we're taking off, and we're converting the car into an F40. So this is being cut off and we're putting the back of a 355 on our car. So all the mounts, everything is straight as can be. You can tell it's like new. It's been all cleaned up. Painted black, satin black. All of that is straight and not bent. Super, super, super clean. Every mount is there. Every tab. Everything that should be there. And on the underside, let's see if we can tilt this. Not much to look at there, but you got a mount. And you got a mount. So everything's there. We didn't cut anything off.